Hey, food detectives! Welcome to Guess the Food by Emoji Challenge, Part 2. Ready to flex those brain muscles and name some iconic snacks? From fries to donuts, we've got 40 emoji puzzles to make you laugh, drool, and maybe even scream, "I knew that one." Hit subscribe and let's dive in, because food isn't just life, it's a puzzle now. Let's go! Can you guess the first one? Garlic bread, warm, buttery, and full of flavor. All right, let's see if you can crack this next one. Apple pie, a classic dessert that's hard to beat. Ready for the next tasty challenge? Lobster roll, a seaside treat bursting with flavor. Let's see how you do with this one. Milkshake, creamy, dreamy, and sip-worthy. Here's your next emoji clue. Cheesecake, rich, creamy, and irresistible. Let's move on to the next one. Banana bread, sweet, moist, and perfect with coffee. Let's keep it going. What's your next guess? Chicken soup, comfort in a bowl. Ready for your next challenge? Let's go! Pumpkin pie, the taste of autumn in every bite. Here's your next tasty puzzle. Good luck! Taco Bell, fast food with a crunch. Can you guess this next one? Beef stew, a hearty dish for cold nights. That's the big 5 no. Let's see what you got for the next one. French toast, sweet, golden, and oh so delicious. We're halfway there. Keep going strong. Carrot cake, a dessert that sneaks in some veggies. Let's roll into the next one. Can you guess it? Pancakes, stack 'em high with syrup and butter. Here's another fun one for you to guess. Ice cream, cool, creamy, and a perfect treat. All right, let's get to the next one. Ready? Chocolate cake, a slice of heaven for dessert lovers. Keep it up, your next emoji clue is coming. Fito, popcorn, perfect for movie nights and snacking. Can you figure out this next one? Let's see. Fish sticks, crispy and golden on the outside. Here comes your next emoji challenge. Hot dog, a stadium favorite for food lovers. Let's jump into the next one. Can you guess it? Avocado toast, trendy and packed with flavor. Time for another fun guess. Let's go. Grilled cheese, warm, gooey, and comforting. All right, here's another one. Can you solve it? Peach cobbler, sweet, fruity, and oh so satisfying. Ready for your next delicious emoji puzzle? Fried chicken, crispy, juicy, and finger-licking good. Let's see how well you do with this one. Potato wedges, crispy outside, fluffy inside. Here's another tasty clue for you. Shrimp cocktail, elegant and packed with flavor. Let's see what you've got for the next one. Chili pepper, spicy and bold, just like you guessed. Can you guess this next one? Turkey leg, a medieval feast in your hand. Here comes the next clue. Are you ready? Sloppy Joe, messy, but totally worth it. Let's jump into the next emoji word. Jelly donut, sweet, powdered, and filled with goodness. All right, here's another fun one. Let's go. Mac cheese, comfort food at its finest. Get ready for your next emoji word. Clam chowder, creamy, hearty, and perfect for seafood lovers. All right, the next one's coming up. Stay sharp. Eggnog, the festive drink of the season. Here's your next emoji challenge. Good luck. Rice cake, light, crispy, and snackable. Let's keep it rolling with this next one. Pizza roll, cheesy bites of perfection. All right, can you guess this one? Let's see. Gravy boat, essential for Thanksgiving dinner. Here comes another one. Guess carefully. Meatball, a classic topping for your pasta. Let's jump to the next emoji puzzle. Bagel Whitlocks, a New York favorite breakfast treat. Ready for the next challenge? Let's go. Spaghetti sauce, perfect for pasta night. Here comes your next tasty emoji clue. Biscuits and gravy, a southern classic full of comfort. Can you solve this next one? Fruitcake, love it or hate it, it's a holiday staple. Let's move on to your next clue. Peanut butter, smooth, nutty, and absolutely iconic. Here's your final clue. Make it count. Chocolate chip, the star of every cookie jar. All right, emoji experts, how did you do? Did you ace it? Or did you get stumped by a taco? Drop your score in the comments and challenge your friends to beat you. Don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes like this, because we've got more fun waiting to puzzle your brains. See you in the next one.